Abujafo asemaba. Na yoko at the press statement about Bontindra. Enu ene journalist e wo Ghana buefu papa umsi mama we kra one advice and say on bekasa. And they are shocked said the woman is still in parliament. Abujafo enya asem ketwa. Woman yenko na enko tie dia journalist na e wo Ghana e kafa na yoko press conference na obey ndra na embra na yeba yebeto aso nyame sha nyina.
Should take this matter up seriously. I have not paid attention to Nsema Kasia, member of parliament in Tro. Now, one man is a Quenyan Krasun on press conference. Hey, oh, yeah, Kushini Papa. This is a very serious matter. Very, very serious matter. That to that extent. And you are still a member of parliament. And the police is looking on. No. Debbie. It can't be possible. How? And your man kasia wakiking. Mama fa manyo semuntunche debi amekachire Ghanafuo. The rate at which we are abnormal things are normal in this country. You can't believe it. For political power, for political gains, for a certain interest that does not inure to the bigger picture about affecting the positively. Now, you don't even know shame. As I a press conference. When you kukudro, kasa. Listen to the Okakao.
To the Honorable Minister of Interior and National Security. I have remained quiet despite calls by well-meaning Ghanaians, including my constituents, who witnessed these brutal attacks. At no time did I say no attack happened. I stated emphatically to the task force that on election day during my rounds, I noticed my convoy was being followed by a V8 vehicle, allegedly known to be used by Howard Compson and a Nadmo pickup, which had a green government number plate. After visiting some polling stations, I decided to go home because I felt my life was in danger. So I am convinced that at the conclusion of this investigation, the truer facts will emerge. On the issue of unwillingness of persons who witnessed these acts to testify, this is entirely out of my control. There are videos to some of these attacks, and these are available for the committee to aid their work.
Madam, I don't even know who advised you to come and do this press conference. Go back and play. Whether Okase na oniho anana onam baby and yeah alleged. Go back and play what the interviews he held with my good brother Captain Smart and then the other people. Just play what she said. Now wasenya akukudro abetina ye Ghana Parliament ebe cheche nisimu. Please, mamunya sa. I am expecting that at this point, sebi. Can we pose for crama? We are sharing you now. We crowd chop every Ghana fakopa. Ye mama have a cruiser. Look at what she's saying this morning. Go back now. It's a press conference. No, okano. Any asemo kan bra ye tu abane say emwe bra. Bompa ye mo my Ghana.
Etwone kaya no. Me official mahindra na me yusu no. Party kano. Eno na me timu bi no.
Etuo ni kaa yen no. Etuo no e kaa yen no. Wo official car na use no party car no Mahindra no. Etuo ni kaa yen no. And then we'll come back to press conference as kaa yen. Yenti.
Etuo ni kaa yen no. Me official Mahindra na me use no party car no. Eno na me timu bi no. Eno so ana etuo no e kaa yen.
Enti wo mo etuo ni kaa wo mo na wo mo ete car na chi no mo te front na hefa no mo
no mo te echi. No mo te me car na echi.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? And you come and do a press conference to talk something totally different from what you have said earlier on. Hey, the mommy wanted to say. How? And that's why sometimes we are tempted to believe that selectivity in terms of the justice system in this country is very, very nauseating. Honestly. Because you lie through like that, and you come back and you are bold, having a press conference and stating otherwise. Yankasa Ghana Interior Minister, Sabi, Ufisa on Ufitia, or Teda Sabrano Man, the Kraswana. You are comfortable to come and hold this press conference and to come and lie again? And you are still there. Representing people's interests. Now, dear Koryoo, what can you give to the people of Utusenya? Tiwa wonu musem.
Etuo ne kaya no, me official mahindra na me use no. Party ka no. Eno na me timu bi no. Eno so ana etuo no e kaya.
Enti wo mo etuo ne kan wo mo na wo mo ete ka na chi no mo te front na hefa no mo
wo ti echi. No mo te me ka na echi. Ene etuo ne kan mo.
Ka na chi say ekira enye say ekira obi a ehu but ka na chi a yatum.
I ka na echi pick up say pick up mahindra pick up. It's almost a ka na echi.
Ene na wo te
Ekwia, tie me question ye ne busa ne mame. Cars na ye dodo sen ba kon. Ena ono awom bi dem rantie ne wachire. Ana say cars na ye dodo sen.
Ka na ye mienu ba ko eji anim. Ena ba ko eji echi.
That's right.
Yeah.
Eti de anim na de echi na etuo kan.
Ne de echi no.
Aha. Eti car no Land Cruiser Black no e cross wo de na say be share montem.
E ba echi. Ebaya di mechanic no mo start some on fire.
Wo car na said they do car na chi no.
There be me a mechano.
Okay.
Me a mechano.
Pacho na wona wo drive e.
Pacho there be.
Okay.
Na me driver na me chikano.
All right. Wo car na mo yese na na team.
Na yeah 6 na na tekanim.
Okay. Na Pacho what two gunshots not a bed do be say?
Yet say 2 by 3.
Bed do be 3. Okay.
Yeah.
Eti omo tutu tu odwie no omo di mo achi be sam ho koya na so omo dane wo mo ho.
Pacho mo dane o mo ho koye.
All right. Ekwia den into aso.
Okay, eti honorable saying anamo be na putu asat enumre ya we say akosun.
Ya fra police farmer. Omo ba say. Ama ya kasa. What is no?
She was not.
Omo ba fa. Echo. Na ya kekra. Police phone escort me.
Now, body's number 5 anyway. You know, body's number 5 anyway. Really? I see. Bompaye mo my Ghana. Imu amanyo semfo, imu sentrofo. Ene wona editro edi juma bompaye mai.
Mate.
Miti bompaye bono Ghana iti.
Menya nkupone mabankese. Nyame a wuye nyame. Dani na weni won kumaso. Me da was say for vindication a what the amame. Na me tina sa vindication so erade asra say politicians media for and say journalists for on my Ghana I am true any idea ye nyoma erade me pipe on say sakra wo mo erade fa akumapa any adwempa ehye won nyina akiri mu and try politician and I say journalist be ebecha betu obi edi ne be kon social mu erade peguma yen
Ami
erade yen pipe on say magana emfa ne ntuma panhira erade mai agye sakra so yes sakra ya agye efi boni ne try wu ehia yen say Ghana ebefa ne ntuma panhira Radi ma menyo fo nyina emfa no kredie emfa nye adwuma emfa hye we radi no munya me da wase she we tie ya no pay me kosora de ubo ni no so hye wonsa omo de no kre eye adwuma radi we attach Ghanafuo club
Abusiafo ntinsema na Koryoo eka ye ewo press conference any day o kan ye on the day or see incident in happening in Abusia a total different. We don't know who advised this woman, but I'm not surprised because the NDC Nankasano, they are full of lies, and you see the people that surround her and stand up a press conference and the woman or no beer or say yen man in parliament. It's hard.